It's harder than this.
Although you took some stuff off the side here, but.
Oh, those are just ports.
Nothing.
Oh, okay, very
Yeah,
good.
no, the ports came out, yeah, but that's it, it's,
Wow. Wow, and that's on a concrete floor.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow,
It looks fine, nothing happened to it.
wow. You'd never do that with your laptop at home, never, it'd be done.
It'd be smashed.
No, but the idea is when people are using
in
it
the
outside,
field.
they might
Yeah,
drop it in
yeah,
the
yeah.
field, it hits a rock,
Yeah.
it hits, or they're in the mine, or, right? And it's
Yeah.
all greasy and oil on it.
Yeah.
Nothing happens to it.
So do these come in
Yeah.
like that? Do they come in?
No, this is
You add the-
refurbished.
Yeah, you add the casing.
No, that's the way.
That's
no,
the way it
so
came in.
this is
Okay.
we refurbish it to the way it was originally designed and manufactured by Panasonic in Japan, right? So the cost of actually shipping it back, fixing it there, bringing it back here is prohibitive. So what they do is they throw it to landfills. We don't do that. We bring it in, we refurbish it, we renew it, and then you have customers that are buying it, right? An example would be, somebody has this particular model. Panasonic is no longer selling this model. They have about 100, they need 20, and it's been discontinued. They're not gonna buy a new 100, so they go and buy a refurbished 20, for example. That's just one example.
Let me, sorry, no, you're doing
Who brings
it.
them in to you? Like, where do you get?
Oh, we buy them from different suppliers, mainly from the US, because it's a huge market.
But are they like police?
It could be large companies, no? It could be manufacturing companies, it could be anybody that uses them, right? Field services companies would be selling
We're
them.
not dealing with the producer directly, it's usually through a middle
I see.
companies
Okay. And then who do you sell it back? Who do you?
police.
We will show you a list of
Okay.
customers. We have EMS, police, fire departments, even big companies would actually buy from us as well.
Is anybody else in Canada doing it?
I'm sorry.
Is anybody else in Canada doing it?
Not at this scale.
Okay.
But you provided the space